Hi everybody. Tonight I'll be making Mexican coleslaw. What all goes into Mexican coleslaw? For the dressing, you need 1 cup mayonnaise, 2/3 cup sour cream, 3 tablespoons lime juice, 2 tablespoons taco seasoning. I made my own. I'll leave the recipe down below. For the coleslaw, you need 1 16-ounce tricolor coleslaw mix, 1 red bell pepper diced, 1 10-ounce can rotel, I've got the generic, 1 11-ounce can corn kernels drained, this is 15 ounces, 1 15-ounce can black beans drained and rinsed, this is 15 1/4, 1 jalapeno pepper seeded and finely chopped, 1/2 cup chopped fresh cilantro. So let's begin. Take a large bowl, and in the bowl add your 1 cup of mayonnaise, your 2/3 cup of sour cream, then add your 16 ounces of the tricolor coleslaw. I hope my bowl is big enough. The 1 diced red bell pepper, the 10 ounces of rotel, and that's the one with the green chilies in it, the rinsed and drained black beans, the drained whole kernel corn, the 1 diced jalapeno, and the 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro. Then toss that to coat. All right, so that looks pretty good. Put the lid on and let it sit in the refrigerator for a half an hour. We'll be back and then give it a taste test. So here is the Mexican coleslaw, and rounding out the meal is bacon, brown sugar, pork tenderloin. Let's see what Dave thinks.
And what am I testing?
Mexican coleslaw.
Oh, that's coleslaw?
It is.
Hmm. I kind of get the Mexican flavor mix there. It doesn't taste like regular coleslaw at all to me, but it's a nice mix. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.